Welcome back to our channel where we are all about helping you make the most of your money. Today we have an important topic to discuss, saving money with a low income. It's not always easy, but with the right strategies, it's definitely possible. So let's dive into our top 5 tips on how to save money with a low income. Tip number 1, track your expenses. The first step in saving money, regardless of your income, is knowing where your money is going. Start by tracking all your expenses. This includes bills, groceries, transportation, and even small purchases like coffee or snacks. Create a budget and categorize your expenses. It will give you a clear picture of where your money is being spent and help you identify areas where you can cut back. Tip number 2, prioritize and reduce expenses. Once you have identified your expenses, it's time to prioritize and reduce them. Look for ways to save on everyday expenses. For example, consider cooking at home instead of eating out, using public transportation or carpooling instead of driving alone, or finding free or low cost entertainment options. Small changes can add up to significant savings over time, so be mindful of your spending habits. Tip number 3, set realistic saving goals. Saving money becomes easier when you have a specific goal in mind. Set realistic savings goals that align with your income. Start small and gradually increase your savings over time. Whether it's saving for an emergency fund, a vacation, or a down payment, having a clear objective will help you stay motivated and focused on your financial goals. Tip number 4, automate your savings. One of the most effective ways to save money with a low income is to automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a savings account each time you get paid. By making saving a priority, you won't be tempted to spend the money before it goes into your savings. Even if you can only save a small amount each month, it will add up over time. Tip number 5, increase your income. While we are talking about saving money with a low income, it's also important to explore ways to increase your income. Look for side hustles or part-time jobs that align with your skills and interests. You can also consider investing in your education or acquiring new skills that may lead to better job opportunities in the future. Increasing your income will give you more financial flexibility and make savings more easier. And there you have it, our top 5 tips on how to save money with a low income. Remember, saving money is a journey and it's essential to be patient and persistent.